Hello guys, today I'll talk about what are the main service model of cloud computation. This diagram is operating system in visualization photos. This working this process. Okay, software as service SaaS. I watch. I read this message now. Insight of using installing an application on their drive. SaaS application are hosted on cloud service and using across them over the internet as renting the house and landing maintenance and the house there, but they talented mostly get used it as if they owned it. Example of SaaS application include Salesforce, Mailchimp, and Stock. Platform as a service PaaS in the model companies doesn't pay for hosted applications. Instead they pay for their those they need to be built their own application. PaaS vendor after offer everything necessarily for your building an application including development tools in uh, factually in an operating system over in the internet. PaaS and can be complete to running all the tools and equipment necessary for building a house. Inside of renting the house in self. PaaS example include Heroku and Microsoft Azure. And in factually as the service LaaS in their model, a company rent the service and store they need for the cloud provide they and use that cloud in factories to build their application. LaaS is like a company leasing a plot of land on which they can build whatever they want to that, but they need to provide their own building equipment and maintenance materials. LaaS provider include DigitalOcean, Google Computer Engine, and OpenStack. Formerly SaaS, PaaS, and LaaS were and their main model of cloud computing. Computation, and the small and necessarily all cloud service fit into on those categories. However, in recent year, a fourth model in immigrate and now foundation as the service FaaS, also known as serviceless computing break cloud applications down into every similar companies that only run when they are needed. Immediate if it were processed to run rent a house one little to beat a time into the instruction. Instead, this talent only pay for the dining room at dinner time, the bedroom while they are sleeping, the living room while they are the watching TV, and when they are not using those room, they doesn't have to be pay rent on them. And the FaaS or serviceless application is still run on service, as do all those. of cloud computation, but they are called serviceless because they do not run to detected machine and because their companies building the application do not have to manage any service. Also service the function scale up or duplicate as more people as this application. Imagine if a talented during the Rome cloud expand to demand when more people come over for dinner. Learn more if you can learn more about the service and click FAA system.